Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to do battery replacement for iPhone 15 Pro Max, especially this type that the SIM is converted and the SIM card position is at the right hand side instead of the left hand side. Now most engineers make mistake whenever they are trying to change this battery. They will end up destroying the flex and the phone will not be able to see SIM card again. Alright, so to avoid this kind of problem, watch this video to the end. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment. I want you to take note how I lifted the flex. I did not force anything. I gently lifted the flex before removing the battery. Now this is very important. Most beginners, they will just force the flex to remove the battery and they will end up damaging the flex. Instead of normal battery replacement, you end up having same issue on the same phone. Alright, now it's very important that before you start this kind of job, make sure you detach the screen from the phone. This will help you have enough room, have enough access to do the battery job. Imagine you are trying to fix the battery, you are trying not to cut the flex, and you are still trying to do all this with screen still on the phone. I started it without removing the screen, but at the end of the day, I know that it's very important that I remove the screen so that I'll have enough room to put back the battery and tie the SIM card flex. Alright.